Hey everyone, welcome back to Kamakya Vidyapeeth. So our today's topic is about Pratibha Setu. Okay, so the question is, what is Pratibha Setu? So it's an initiative by Dr. Jiten Singh has UPSC Pratibha Setu initiative facilitating alternative job avenues for the civil service aspirants. Okay, Pratibha stands for the professional resource and talent integration, and the Setu stand for the bridge. We are generally knows like bridge does work to connect something, okay, just like that. This is emerging as a meaningful gateway for the civil services aspirants who are among the very few who narrowly miss out in the last stage because of not being able to make it in the final interview, even after having successfully cleared the civil services exam final and also having appeared in the interview. Okay, several. So now the topic and the main motive behind it, like suppose like if there is a private organization, okay, and that organization want to hire talented and required, okay, so several private organizations have started approaching the commission to access the pool of the candidates. So that private organization will go through this Pratibha Setu app, okay, and will get the required data about the candidate, okay, when they started, they cleared or not, how many attempts they have given, okay, so who cleared the written exam and interview stages but were not finally selected. UPSC chairman apprises Minister of Rising Interest from employers. 113 organizations onboarded so far. Okay, so first the brief information about the Jiten Singh. Who is this? What is the post of his? Okay, so he is our Union Minister of State, independent charge he has for Science and Technology, Earth Sciences, and Minister of State for PMO, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions. Dr. Jiten Singh has held the UPSC's Pratibha Setu. It's just all about the UPSC's Pratibha Setu, which is related the candidates who is not cleared the UPSC exam, okay, but has a tremendous level of the talent, okay. So this Setu is an initiative for facilitating alternative jobs avenues for civil services aspirants. So what are the key initiatives